Oh shit. Here we go again.
Come on, officer. Come on then. Damn fool. Get your dirty hands off my clothes, fool. Don't take this personal. Excuse me. Fool. Frank Tenpenny is a personal friend of mine. Get out, it's gonna blow. Get out the way. Give me that. Hey! Help me! Hey, fool! Hey, how'd you not see me, man? Hey, look, man, I'm heavy. I don't move too fast. Hey, look out. Hey, man, that wasn't my fault. Ain't nobody jacks the smoke. Hey, relax on the pedal, dude. Hey! Hit me then. Hurry up, fool. I got no patience for ignorant folk. I can assure you this is a mistake. I got a big heart. I got friends in high places. I know your boss, officer. I need a message. I need to borrow your ride. I want to be a leader of men. I'll eat you when I'm done. I'm a friend of the police force. I'm really a kind person. I'm twice the man you are. I seen your face, fool. Look at me, what are you thinking? Look out, man! Look out! Look out! Look out! Look where you going, fool. Man, ease off the gas, fool. Mom, I'm sorry. Moron. Move out the damn way. No more pedestrians, okay? Nobody will stop me from doing good. No! Oh, good Lord. Oh, my God. Oh, put that thing down, man. Pay attention, moron. Relax, dude. Relax, man. I ain't fat, I'm big bone. Slow down, man. Slow the fuck down. Sometimes I'm worried about my legacy. That idiot hit me. The car is on fire, player. The nerve of that man. The pedal is on the right. This fool is blocking my path. Try not to kill these people. Try to make people listen to my message. Watch out! We're burning, fool! We seem to be defying gravity, my man. We seem to be on our heads, homie. We're under attack. We've been hit. What are you doing that for? What are you doing? What are you waiting for? You're a moron. You asleep or something? Gotta get me out of this crazy town. You just killed him. You little chump. You're making a terrible mistake with your life. You might know my friend Officer Tenpenny. You're throwing your career away. You trying to kill me, fool? You won't even get near me. You forgotten how to drive? Oh, I can't believe that. Oh, I can't believe you just hit my shit. Oh, you hit that fool, baby. Call me a lawyer. Can I borrow that for a minute, my friend? Can you believe that fool? Chill out, partner. CJ! Come on, homie, move!